Hey everyone, let's see this question. In it, we have given an array, okay, and we have said that we need to sort this array in ascending order using an in-place quicksort algorithm, okay, and we have to consider the last element as the pivot. So a quick intro into quicksort. So what quicksort does? Let's say this is our array A B C D E F G H. Let's say this is our array. What it does, it will take a pivot. So let's say, for instance, I take E as the pivot. So whatever the elements which are less than E in the whole array, it will shift those to the left of the E, and whichever elements are more than E or greater than E, it will shift those elements to the right side of the E. So basically, it will fix the position of E as the E is at the right position, because everything which is smaller is on the left and everything which is greater is on the right. And again it will call the left side for a quick sort again, and the right side for the quick sort again, and again we'll take a pivot and keep doing this until all pivots are their right position. Fine. So what we need to check that how many swaps are performed. So how do we see this swap? So let's say we are traversing through this and we come at this particular point, let's say C, okay, and we got to know that this C is greater than E. So what we'll do, we'll swap this. So we'll take this C to the right side of, okay. So that's what swap is. Now we know that we are taking this particular element as the pivot, and if you see, this is already sorted. This element is this array is already sorted. So no matter what pivot we choose, so let's say we have taken this 100 as the pivot, and we started from 60, 70, 80, 90, but we need not to do any swap because 100 is already the largest, okay. Then again, if there is nothing on the right side but this is the left, so we take the 90 as the pivot and we'll go through 60, 70, 80, but we need no swap because already it's sorted. Then again 90 will be the pivot, and we'll this left side 60, 70, 80 will again send to the quick sort. We keep doing it, but there will not be any swap because this is already sorted, okay. So although this is the worst case scenario for any quick sort algorithm, because when the array is already sorted, the time complexity for quick sort algorithm comes to big of n square, which is generally big of n log n. So this is the worst case scenario for quick sort algorithm, but still the swaps performed by this algorithm will be 0 because there is no need to swap, okay. So the right answer for this question is 0. Thank you.